So all you need are walnuts, a needle, and some thread just to get started. Do I have your attention yet? I know it's an interesting combination. There are a number of names for this dish. Some call it sweet soujuk, some call it sharot. I'm from the city of Gyumri, and I grew up calling it kyoma. So whatever you call it, Chef Ara Zada shows us how to make it. Today we're making
soujuk.
Soujuk.
So we're making soujuk or sharot, and one of the most beloved sweets and desserts in all of Armenia.
And in Armenia, they call it sharot.
Sharot.
Which I've never heard, actually.
A lot of people haven't. I didn't hear that until I first went to Armenia.
Is this a dessert, you would say?
I would say it's a dessert or a snack. Really, it's just grape juice, grape molasses, walnuts, and a little bit of sugar and some seasonings. It's just very time-consuming to sit and thread these all. So you can smash the walnuts, and then you have these perfectly delicate walnuts, or you can buy already shelled ones.
I did it!
Ta-da!
Ta-da, okay.
Okay, so now we have to make the syrup.
Okay.
So in the pot, we have 2 cups of grape juice. We have about a 1/3 cup of grape molasses, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a pinch of cinnamon, a pinch of allspice, and then now you just kind of boil this for a second. We're just essentially waiting for the sugar to dissolve inside and it kind of come to a simmer. Then we're gonna add in our cornstarch flour slurry. I'm gonna put about a cup of water in here. So I'm going to drizzle this in, kind of stirring all at the same time. Yeah, okay. So, perfect.
It smells like Christmas.
Right? It's those spices. So, we take it.
Like all the way?
Yeah, there you go. And then we just kind of put this on here. Kind of try and dip it without breaking it.
Or burning yourself?
Yeah, there's that too. Be careful there. And then what you do is put this in a cool, dry place. Let it hang for about 3 days or so.
Wow, 3 days.
Yeah, so this will drip down. Usually I'll put something underneath it, but it's okay. And as it drips down, it eventually solidifies. It can stay out for a week or so. What I would do after a week is wrap it in plastic. And then, I mean, it'll last months. So we have our walnuts. This is the fun part. So we will cut this end. And then, and you can just cut them like this. It's a fun little snack and wrapped up.
Nice.
Abo.
Ooh. Well, of course I brought it in. Actually,
we love you for that.
Chef Ara Zada is here. He's in the back.
I just was talking to him, yeah.
So he brought it in, and then I also wanted you to try, because he said you could try different kinds, right? So there's also, in addition to the grape, you've got cherry or apricot.
And the color is so beautiful.
Here, why don't you first take one of what he has created.
Yummy.
And then I will pass this over as well, and you can try these as well. What do you think?
Yummy.
It's chewier than I had imagined, right?
Yeah. So
I like it.
This is like a healthy snack, and it is like a dessert, and you just have at it.
You said this is grape? No, sorry, cherry?
I like
Cherry. Yeah. You know what? I've never tried the cherry. Can I actually try that? Thank you.
That's good.
So, I hope you're hungry, because I did mention that he is here, because
this is delicious.
Coming up, Jen, we're gonna be making, or he's gonna be teaching us how to make a traditional Armenian breakfast.
Ooh, this is exciting.
So stay tuned.
Wow, this is good.
Thank you.
It's almost like a healthy candy.
Yeah, it is. Maybe good for kids too.